Washington, the U.S. House of Representatives will take up two controversial immigration bills. At the same time in Austin, Texas Senate Bill 4, the Sanctuary Cities ban, gets another federal hearing. This one for the lawsuit filed by Attorney General Ken Paxton to have the law declared constitutional. Tonight, KXAN's Brittany Glass takes an in-depth look at how these new immigration bills compare to SB4 and how they could impact Texas.
This is the Trump companion to Greg Abbott's Senate Bill 4. It interferes and intimidates local law enforcement.
The No Sanctuary for Criminals Act would punish cities and states that do not fully comply with federal immigration officials, making them ineligible for federal justice grants. It may sound familiar. Both the federal bill and Texas Senate Bill 4 say a police department can't stop someone from asking about a person's immigration status. Democratic Congressman Lloyd Doggett says it's about allowing local law enforcement agencies to do their job, not ICE's.
If they now have to change their focus onto being immigration officers, they're really diverted from the resources.
We spoke to Travis County Sheriff Sally Hernandez about SB4 back in January.
I'm convinced that that legislation would make it very, very difficult for law enforcement.
But U.S. Representative Jody Arrington is in favor of the bill. In a speech on the House floor Wednesday, the Republican lawmaker from Lubbock focused on crimes committed by undocumented immigrants.
These avoidable, tragic deaths and violent crimes continue to happen across the country, and many of the criminal aliens who have committed them have found refuge in our nation's sanctuary cities.
Congressman Arrington says so-called sanctuary cities are lawless.
Cities whose actions undermine the basic American tenet that we are a nation of laws, not of men.
Brittany Glass, KXAN News.
The federal bill offers legal protections for local law enforcement agencies and local governments, cities, counties, and states that help with immigration enforcement efforts. Both bills also say undocumented immigrants who are victims or witnesses to a crime will be protected. Earlier this year, Governor Greg Abbott cut $1.5 million in state grants to Travis County over the sheriff's immigration policies. In January, Sheriff Sally Hernandez banned deputies and jailers from asking about someone's immigration status. Sheriff also announced her department would not hold people in jail for immigration officials unless they were accused of a serious crime or Immigration and Customs Enforcement obtained a warrant signed by a judge. She later said she would follow any law that passed.